Good morning, students. Today we will see the exercise of chapter 3rd of class 6. The first question of exercise is answer in one word or a few words. Okay. In this, the first one, fill in the blanks. Okay. And the fill in the blanks, first one is the method used to remove grains from their stalks is called what? Threshing. What? Threshing. Okay. Now, and second one, the process by which vapor changes into liquid state on cooling is called what? Condensation. Okay, condensation. Okay. Now, third one, salt is obtained from seawater by the process of what? Evaporation. What? Evaporation. Okay. Now, fourth one, the process of allowing muddy water to stand so that mud settles at the bottom is called what? Sedimentation. Okay, sedimentation. Okay. Now, next, see, next fifth one, blank means cutting the crop from the field. So here will be what? Harvesting. Okay, harvesting. Okay, harvesting means cutting the crop from the field. Okay. Now, sixth one, during what? The solid particles that settle down forming a layer are called sediments. So what should be here? Here should be again sedimentation. Okay, sedimentation. Now, seventh one, blank particles are lighter than grains. So here should be husk. Okay, husk particles are lighter than grains. Now, eighth one, blank is used to remove the blank from fresh fruit juice. So here should be decantation is used to remove the pulp from fresh fruit juice. Okay. Now, next one is what? C2 means second question of this section. State whether the following statements are true or false. Okay. So let's do. A mixture of sugar and water can be separated by hand picking. It's true or false? It false. Okay. Now, second one, sieving is a method used for separating components of a mixture which are of different size. What? See, sieving is a method used for separating components of a mixture which are of different size. So it's true. Okay. And come to third, during sedimentation lighter particles settle down forming sediments. It's true or false? It's false. Okay. Now, filtration is the method used for preparing paneer. Yes, true. Now, fifth one, a liquid can be converted into its vapor formed by the process of decantation. So what will be true or false? False. Okay, good. Now come to third question of this section. What the question? Match the two columns. Okay, so see, first winnowing. Winnowing should be matched with what? Separation of husk and grains. Okay, just write down here first. Okay, now filtration. What? Filtration. Filtration will match with separation of mud and water from muddy water. Okay, so it will be 2. Okay, write down here 2. Now third one, sieving. What? Sieving. Sieving will be matched with separation of stones and sand. Okay, good. Now fourth, evaporation. Evaporation should be matched with extracting salt from sea water. Okay, so it will be fourth. Okay, now come to fifth, threshing. And threshing will be matched with separation of grains and stalks. Okay, so write down here fifth. Okay, now sixth one, condensation. Okay, condensation will match with conversion of water vapor into its liquid form. Okay, now come to seventh, hand picking, separation of pulses and stones. Okay, good. Now move to question number 4th of this section. Okay, now see the first one. Before going first, see what the question number 4. Multiple choice questions. Choose the correct answer for each of the following. Okay, so first question is what? Impurities present in water can be separated by what? Filtration. Okay, so option B will be correct. Now question number 2. The method used for removing pulp from fresh fruit juice is what? Decantation. Okay, means option B will be correct. Now third one, question third. A mixture of sand and water can be separated by using what? Sedimentation. Okay, so option D will be correct. Now question number 4th. Iron is separated from a mixture of sulfur and iron by what? By magnets, means option D will be correct. Now last question of this question. In summer the pond dries up by the process of what? Evaporation, means option A will correct. Thus your exercise is completed. For today only up to this. Okay, thanks.